Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or restrict changes to location services on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go to the Privacy section and tap on Location Services. From here, tap on Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. And here say Disallowing Changes locks the settings shown below to prevent new apps from using location services. And that's it. So you can choose Allow or Don't Allow Changes in here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.